You can add interactive links directly into your Reels videos using the Edit app. You can link to your videos or somebody else's. You can link to your profile or someone else's. It's a great tool and feature to know how to use, and I'm going to try and walk you through it all in under 10 minutes. So let's start that timer. Welcome. This is a series where I walk through lots of different features using the Edit app to hopefully upskill you, help you, and support you through learning different features within Instagram Edits. If you have any ideas or suggestions, leave them in the comments. If you enjoy this video or any of the others in the series, make sure you are subscribed. It's really, really, really useful, helpful to me, and supports the channel. So please do. Anyway, getting into it, let's open up the Edit app. Now I need to do a couple of things with this one. First of all, I'm going to do some live recording right now on the spot. So we're going to go to camera straight away, and I'm going to film myself just doing some really basic things to show you all about this links to edit. So I'm going to hit record. This is me recording. Okay, so if you like this video, maybe you want to check out this video. And if you like that one, why not check out this one? And of course, you've checked out those, so why not make sure that you're following right here this profile. So there you go, that was me recording just a little bit to add into the, which I haven't done yet in the series, so that was quite fun. Was it? I don't know. It was really simple, I know, but I want to walk you through how to use links now. Now, links pops up straight away at the bottom, the fourth icon at the bottom, as you can see. So I've got a little video to show you what it does. Now, what is really important to know and why this is really beneficial for a couple of reasons. One, if you are doing a series on Instagram and via Reels, really important that you can then link to the next episode. So it's sequential. That's really good. So people carry on watching, very much like YouTube does. So at the end of this video, you'll get a couple of suggestions of other videos of mine to watch, almost exactly the same. So they're borrowed from that. The other thing that you can do is if you're talking about a particular video that's quite long and you can show a snippet, but you want to point people to a different place to go to watch the full thing, so they have more context rather than lots of people giving snippets of context. I see you, I know. Because then when you go and watch the actual video, you're like, well, I didn't really say it like that, or really, they didn't really approach it like that. But anyway, then you can show the whole video, which is really useful. The other thing that it's good for is if you are doing brand deals, if you're trying to show products off, you can direct them to a different video that the actual brand has done, and as well as the profile. So let's just say I was, in my dreams one day, doing a brand deal with Lego, and I wanted to say to them, yeah, now you've liked that Lego set, head over to Lego and, you know, check this out. I can show them a video of the brand new product, or I could just send them to the profile. Again, really useful stuff to know, depending on how many other channels you've got, how many other videos. When you're doing things for yourself, point them in, keep them in your own circle. Anyway, let's carry on. So the first point I do, which is here, I'm going to add a link. And then I'm going to go to Reels and I'm going to pick my Reels, okay? So I'm going to pick one of these. I'm going to stick with the Lego theme. So if you like this, you might want to check out this, okay? And there we go. Nice and large, that video. It means that when they're watching the video within Reels, they'll actually be able to tap on that and it take them to that video, okay? So I'm going to shrink that down and put it exactly where I point there. So let's have a look. If you're really interested, go here. Oh, bit needs to come a bit sooner, which is fine. You know, we can just move that along. Needs to come too soon now. Needs to come, oh, there, all close, there you go. So it needs there, okay? So they can now watch that and it'll appear on the screen for as long as we want. We don't want it that long, there we go. And then as we move, it will come out the way, okay? But then I want to add another one because I go over here, don't I, right there. So let's pause it right there. And let's go back to links. And then this time we're going to go Reels again. We're going to go My Reels. We're going to pick another one of mine that you might like. No idea which one to pick. Here we go. Oh, I know which one. There's another Lego one here. There we go. We'll go here. Let's have a look. It might be too far away from that one. Let's get rid of that one. Let's get rid of that one. Let's add another one. Links. I think if they're older, they might not have had it in, that's all. And I want to make sure you know how it works. So let's just go with this one, which is advertising a whole nother series, actually. So then I tap this one. I know I want to make it smaller because I want it to be here. As I tap, have a look and watch this one instead. And then it comes into my face. So I want to move it and stop it a little bit sooner. There we go. Move over here. Done. And then we carry on. And in the end, I point around here, don't I? Right. So I'll point around here. And now, this time, we're going to add in. Again, make sure nothing's selected. We're going to hit links. And then we're going to go to profiles. And this time, we're going to go straight into simply me, basically. Simply me. I want to advertise just me. Okay? All the time me. No, I'm joking. I would do some other people, but for the point of this exercise, we'll just keep it here. I would, there are lots of brands that I really love. At one brand in particular that I've already mentioned in this episode. I'm not going to mention them again. Not too many mentions. I mean, they're in near enough every bit of footage I do. So anyway, how long we got? Okay, 4 minutes. So then we have, needs to come a little bit earlier. So again, we'll move that up a bit. Right about there. So then I refer to it there. So again, I recorded this just now, and all I've done is recorded a video that says kind of like, hey, why do you want to check out this? And then once you've checked out this, that's great. Thank you very much. Maybe you want to spend a bit of time watching this. And don't forget, when they're on screen, people can actually tap them and it will take them to that video. And then at the end, I will say, why don't you also make sure you're following this great profile? If you're not following them on Instagram, head over. So can you see why links are really important, why they can be really helpful? You can also put multiple ones on the screen at any one time. I will show you that. How will I show you this? Let's just use it at the beginning. So you can also go links, reels, my reels. I'm just going to literally pick the first two just to show you this. Done. Links, my reels, and then another one. Again, you can choose somebody else's. For this purpose, I'm not going to. Another one of my reels, and then going to add it on top. And then you've got two. You can do two side by side. Okay. And I'm just showing you. I know I'm covering my face here, but that doesn't matter too much. It's only my face. You probably see enough of that anyway if you watch this video. There we go. So we've got two at the same time now that you could tap on, decide. So again, another really clever thing to do. I might do this myself, is you start explaining something and go, if you want to learn about this, press this. If you want to go and learn about this instead though, press this. And you can send people off like different channels. So they could actually end up going down like 2 series of different. If you want to learn about creativity, go down here. If you want to learn about innovation, go down here. If you want to learn how to draw this way, paint this way. And then you send people kind of knock on, because don't forget, the next video you produce could also have a link in it that carries on in the series. So anyway, hopefully you found that helpful. It went into a lot more detail about links and setting them up. Obviously, I've done all of this in one take, all live. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. I'm Ray. This is Simply... I can't even do it. Here we go. I'm Ray. This is Simply Create. Thank you for watching. Peace.